So guys, you want to take out your battery from your laptop, then you want to hold the power button for 30 seconds. Not all laptops are going to let you take out the battery, but some of them will. So look at the back of your laptop, maybe you need to unscrew the back, or you may have like two levers right here, just like my laptop. So for me, I've got two levers right here. So for me, I've got these two levers, I've got one here and I've got one here. So if I just pull this one here, it lets me take out the battery. So now I take out the battery. So there might be some levers on your laptop that you can pull, which will let you take out the battery, or you need to unscrew the back cover, and then take out the battery. After you take out the battery, I'm going to flip the laptop, open it up. Then you want to hold on the power button for 30 seconds. Just hold the power button. I'm going to fast forward the video. Hold it for 30 seconds. Once that's been done, flip the laptop again. Insert the battery. Insert the battery. Flip the laptop again. And then it should be working for you. You should be able to use your laptop. And you should be able to charge your laptop.